Android 11 recently released in public with features like chat bubbles, one-time permission, etc. etc. But as of now, it's available only for some devices like Redmi, OnePlus, or Oppo. So while you are waiting for Android 11, how about get it the most of the features right now? Means right now on whatever Android version you have. So without wasting much time, my name is Gajanan and you are watching QTMO channel. So let's get started. The sudden change made in Android 11 is the media player going into the notification shade. It also provides you the option to quickly switch the output device from your phone speaker to TWS or headphones. In order to get these features on any Android device, you can use shades. It completely replaces your notification shade with the stock notification shade, and now when you play something on any media player, the media control will be part of the notification shade, just like Android 11. The most highlighted feature on Android 11 is chat head, I mean chat bubbles. So if someone sends you a message on WhatsApp, SMS, Insta, Telegram, etc. etc., you have the option to pop out the individual chat message as chat bubble. It is like Facebook Messenger chat head, but it's now available on any texting app. Now this chat bubble feature was a part of Android 10. I guess beta 2, but was later released in public. However, you can still use the chat bubble feature in Android 10 by using the app Direct Chat. It gives the same chat bubble on the home screen and you can continue your conversation right from here. With the new Android 11, you can check the notification history by just clicking on the Manage Notification option. Not just that, it also includes the ability to see the message content. There is two ways to see the notification history on Android 10. First, you can download this launcher. You can do full customization, like you can do increase the size of icon or reduce the size of icon or rotate in any angle and many things, but I will not name this launcher now. I will make separate video on this launcher. The second option to see the notification history is you can use an app called Notification Log History. It built on top of the same notification log, but it makes reading and message a hell lot easier, like group notifications from one app. You tap on it and you can see the notification in a proper list. The only problem in this app is the full screen ad. By the way, up to the channel is great. Android 11 now allow you to provide camera and microphone permission as allow while in use. This means that the app cannot use the camera and microphone while it's in the background. Now there is no app which replicates this exact one-time permission. Here is the access dot which can at least inform you. So access dot replicate the iOS style green and orange dots. So whenever an app is using your camera, you get a green dot on the top, and similarly orange if your microphone is accessed. So if any app access mic or camera in the background, you cannot block it like Android 11, but at least you would be aware and can disable this app. So that's all features to convert your any Android version into the Android 11. Now I am signing out. If you enjoyed this video, please do like, comment, share. Peace.